सर जस्ट एकूच क्वेश्चन विचारूंक सोदता आमकां आमी तुमकां चड पास करपाक मिटींग जाली आयसीएम कित्याक
सीएमा बरोबर मिटींग आसली अलॉंग विथ गार्ड मेंबर्स एंड दी कन्सल्टंट आनी डॉक्टर राजेश पाटील आसलो सीएमान ती मिटींग आपयली टू डिस्कस द इश्यूज विथ गार्ड and he has agreed upon almost all the points of the demand and meeting ended now.
Doctor, one more thing, their main demand was that minister has to apologize in casualty.
Yeah.
That also is accepted.
To this, CM is saying that he is willing to come to the casualty and talk to them.
He means who? Can you
He
clarify?
himself.
CM.
So CM will be coming.
He said he is willing to come. He is coming. Means he has shown his willingness to come to casualty.
But minister will be not coming.
That part is not been
Because
discussed.
the main demand was that the minister should come and apologize in casualty in front of camera.
Yeah.
So that demand was fulfilled.
No, to this CM is saying that you should be, accepting he's as a head of the state. He will be coming to casualty.
Can I say Pala?
So when tomorrow.
He said he is willing to come. That's all.
सो तुमचं आता हे कितें आसतलो फुडलो नेक्स्ट स्टेप कितें आसतलो
The
तुमचो
first step is to protect GMC. To see that GMC functions normally.
Yeah.